Hi everyone, today we're going to see about journal entries for issue of shares. Journal entries for issue of shares and receipt of application money, bank account data to share application and transfer of application money to share capital, share application account data to share capital. The application money has been rejected. We want to pass the reverse for the first journal entry, share application account data to bank account. And the allotment of the share, the allotment money become due on the company. Share allotment account data to share capital account and receipt of allotment money, bank account data to share allotment and making the first call or second call or final call. The share of first call account or second call account or final call account data to share capital account and receipt of the first call or second call or final call amount, bank account data to the respective calls account should be credited. Let us see about the issue of shares at premium. Issue of shares at premium means the company issue the shares more than the face value is called issue of shares at premium. For example, if the company share value is 10 rupees but they are selling it in the market, it should be 12 rupees. The 2 rupees is called as the premium amount. Accounting treatment of premium on issue of the shares. When the security premium is collected with the share application money, share application account data to security premium. When the premium amount collected with the allotment money or call money, share allotment account data, share call account data to security premium account. Issue of shares at discount. When the issue price of the shares is lesser than the face value, is called the shares issued at the discount. For example, the company share value is 100 rupees, but it did sell it in the market at 90 rupees. The 10 rupees is called as the discount. The discount amount should be debited in the allotment journal. Let us see about the full subscription, under subscription and over subscription. Full subscription. A company may receive application amount equal to the number of shares offered by the public. For example, if the company issuing 1 lakh equity shares, the 1 lakh equity shares will be offered by the public also. It will be called as the full subscription. Under subscription. Under subscription means the public offer lesser than the company issuing shares. For example, if the company willing to issue 1 lakh shares, but the public will be offering only 90,000 shares, the condition will be called as the under subscription. Oversubscription. Oversubscription means the public will be offering more than the issue shares, that will be called oversubscription. For example, the company willing to issue 1 lakh shares, but the public will be offering 1 lakh 20,000 shares. That condition will be called as the oversubscription. The excess of money received from the public will be rejected or it may be adjustment. When you are rejecting the excess of money, the journal entry share application account data to bank account. When you are adjusting the excess of application money, the journal entries made is share application account data to share allotment account. Calls in advance. Calls in advance mean the share amount, calls amount will be received prior itself. For example, if the company will be asking first call amount, but the public will be paying second call as well as final call amount along with the first call itself. Accounting treatment. Following journal entries is made for calls in advance. Bank account data to calls in advance. Appropriations of calls in advance account says in the final call. Journal entries will be calls in advance account data to share final call account. Calls in arrear. The public doesn't pay the amount at this prescribed time. It will be called as the calls in arrear. The journal entries are calls in arrears account data to share allotment or calls account. Forfeiture of the shares. The unpaid calls on the shares, the company will be return back the shares. If the shareholders fails to pay the due amount of allotment or any calls on shares issued by the company, the board of directors may decide to cancel the shares. With the cancellation of the shares, the defaulting shareholders are lost their rights. If the shares issued at par is forfeited, the journal entries are share capital account data to shares forfeited account to unpaid calls account. Forfeiture of shares issued at the premium and discount. The accounting treatment are: premium money has been received prior to the forfeitures. Journal entries are: share capital account data to share forfeitures account to unpaid calls account or calls in arrear account. The premium amount is not received. The time the forfeiture will be held, the journal entries are: share capital account data, security premium account data, to shares forfeited account, to unpaid call account. Forfeiture of shares issued at the discount. The accounting treatment are: share capital account data, to share forfeited account, to discount on issue of shares account, to unpaid calls account. Reissue of the forfeited shares. Forfeited shares may be reissued by the company by board of directors if the shares are issued at discount amount or discount amount not exceed the actual amount received on the forfeited shares plus original discount received or reissued of the shares. The accounting treatment are: bank account data, discount on issue of shares account data, shares forfeiture account data, to share capital account, to security premium account. Issue of shares for consideration other than the cash. Sometimes shares are issued to the promoters of the company in lieu that the service provided by the in term during this incorporation of the company. The issue price of these shares normally debited to goodwill account. The journal entries made by as follows: goodwill account data to share capital account. In case of purchase of assets like building, machinery and stock, the journal entries are: assets account data to vendors account, vendors account data to share capital account. Kindly answer the following questions. When a company decides to dash shares, it is typically involved determining the number of shares to be offered to the public or existing shareholders. Question number 2. The process of issuing shares often require obtaining approval from the companies dash which may be involved the shareholders or board of directors.